I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. This is not optional. Make sure ARZURE Crossover is updated and your chosen character is at least level 30, then gather the core shard, echo gear, and void sigil. Once done, open the event hub and accept the Only Way questline immediately, because timing matters for spawn windows. You will be guided to a designated map marker. Go there now and prepare a 3-slot quickbar with your mobility tools. Do not delay. Begin the sequence as soon as you arrive. You proceed by triggering the sequence panels in the exact order. 1 then 3 then 2. This order primes the auto-destroy mechanic. While the third panel charges, make sure to remain inside the 5-meter radius of the portal for the full 12 seconds, because leaving cancels the effect. Once add spawn, interrupt, and stagger crowd control so the portal stays uninterrupted. Do not single-target the boss if it causes knockback. Keep cooldowns ready, and maintain steady positioning until the final charge completes. You finish by activating the final detonator within 4 seconds of the portal reaching full charge. This precise timing triggers the auto-destroy. After activation, confirm the destruction animation and loot drop to ensure success, and collect rewards. If it fails, first check the sequence order in your event log, then reconnect and repeat the sequence inside the same event window. If the portal displays the wrong timer or lacks the aura, relog immediately, because a client desync is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.